Alright, hello guys. Sorry for not having posted a video the past 2 days. I was doing midterms this week. They finished yesterday, so that's part of it, but also last night I did not sleep great at all. I have a really big problem with snoring. I might have sleep apnea too. That's like when your breathing like stops and it wakes you up. But I went to bed at like 9 o'clock last night, and then I woke up at 12 a.m. midnight, so I only slept for 3 hours. And I basically scrolled on Twitter for way too long. I probably should have just gotten up and started coding instead, in hindsight, but I did not. Then I fell asleep again at 6 a.m., so 6 hours later. Then I woke up at like 10:30 to go to my first class today. So yeah, last night was not optimal, and I think I need to figure whatever the hell is going on with me. Maybe wear a nose strip or something, or get like Flonase or something like that. But yeah, that's kind of the reason I did not post a video the other day. But we're back today, trying to finish boot.dev. And I've been debating buying. Oh, was the sale over? Yeah, there's still 13 hours. Getting NeetCode Pro, because I like his videos. I think his course is pretty good. If any of you guys have gotten this, let me know if it's worth the $200. But yeah, that's kind of what happened yesterday. I don't know if you have any tips on sleep apnea or sleeping in general. I would also like to know about that. But yeah, let's get back to boot.dev. Thank you guys for all the comments. I really do appreciate it. It means a whole lot. Okay, so where were we on this? Add new query that retrieves all chirps in ascending order. I created at, so this name gets all chirps. So is it chirps based on any user, or? So this is creating a user. Make it chirp. Need 2 chirps, so supposed to sort by the created at date. So it doesn't seem like I need to make sure it's by a specific user. Order by created at an ascending order. Not sure if that's actually how that's supposed to be done. Yeah, I think that is how it's supposed to be done. So do I need to return from this? Let me just look at some old code, to be honest with you. In the project we just did. Yeah, I don't think I need to do that. Okay, so we should be able to run. Yes, you'll see generate. And now we can create this new query. I don't know why I have these windows open. So we need a get request API chirps should return the same structure as post API chirps as an array. Okay, so we can sort by created. Okay, I think I kind of get that. Chirps, the standard function shader signature for request, and go. I could type. Okay, so we should do it in the same way that we do with the post API. So I would know this. Yeah, we're going to receive a body and user IDs. Okay, so now it makes sense to split this actually. You can do command / that. Okay, now we need to decode the body of the request. If error is not equal to nil, spawn with error, p status internal couldn't decode parameters. Look at the wrong function actually. Oh, no, I am the right function. So now we have parameters. Wait. No, we're not. Oh, what am I doing? No, you don't need this. We're not taking in input. Okay, so first of all, this needs to be a method on the config struct so that I can run the query, get all chirps, pass in the context. Okay, this is going to return db all chirps error if error is not equal to nil, error whdp server error. Failed to get all chirps from database. Turn. Okay, so now we have this. It's an array of chirps. We need to do it in like this manner, but just as an array. So maybe it'd be best if we just made variable all chirps and do an array of chirp. I think that's how it's done. So we go like for underscore chirp range of db all chirps. All chirps according to I. So this is a struct, correct? So this does not sound that complicated. How do you go append to a slice and go? I forgot how to do this. Oh yeah, there's an append function. I'm just going to append a chirp, right, that has, yeah, this is what we're looking for, chirp to ID. Create that, chirp dot create that chirp dot update that, body, chirp dot body, and user ID. user.user ID. There we go. So don't need the I don't think. And they said trying the same structure as an array. Use a 200 code for staff to access order them by creating that in ascending order. So how do you sort an array of structs? Sort.slice function, the slice to be sorted in a less function. Now it's a function with function ijint. The less function is a closure that defines comparison logic for two elements of the slice. So we need to sort by create out, which is time.time. Sort.slice. All chirps. Function ij. Return all chirps. Oh, according to I. Dot. Whoa, create that before, after, and equal. I don't know what that is. That looks like a function of the time library. Less than operator not defined on struct. I'm assuming it's because this is a time object and not integer. Do this field is a time.time type. Sorting by ascending order, that means the earliest time is first, right? Okay, so those after functions are actually useful. After all chirps j dot created, which where the time instant t is after u. Just checking if the I element if the time is after the one that turns. If the I element is after the j time, that means it's older. So it returns false. Year 3000 after year 2000 is true. Not sure how the sort slice is really doing this. Explain this in detail, step by step. Call sort slice with the slice and the comparison function. You don't want to sort, okay, obviously. Sort size is repeatedly call this list when passing two integers. Use the boolean to decide how to arrange elements. This is what I'm trying to figure out how it does this. I must turn true if the element at index I should come before index j, false otherwise. Okay, we call sort size as it goes runtime sorting out when it begins. It will make comparisons. Thus function for different pairs I and j. Is a boolean results differently correct by order. I'm gonna have to look into, I'm kind of interested in how this actually works. But I do have to go somewhere by 2 o'clock, so let me see if I can just get this thing working first. Create and pass in all chirps. We need to change this to API. All chirps. Okay, so this should work. How do you split windows in Ghosty? Start really explaining how to do. I'm not sure why this isn't doing anything. Split below. Split right, like. That's strange. Why does it not do anything? Can I not see the split? Hello? Like, goes the Windows split not working Mac? What? Why is this not working for me? Maybe I should close and reopen it. What the hell? Huh. Okay, you know what? Just gonna use Tmux, I guess. This works. I don't really know how to use Tmux, but at least it's working. How do you switch to the other tab again? Yeah, there we go. Go build -ow, output to an out file, and run the said out file. B okay, and now let's run their CLI and see what happens. And that is not correct. It's in the opposite order. God damn it, can I scroll? Hello? God, this is so... Why is scrolling doing this? Is it in the wrong order? You know what, I might just oh God. I'm just gonna use the VS Code terminal for now, because at least I know how that works. Oh, running out of time. Why is this not working? I thought maybe it's actually before. I don't know why it'd be before, but maybe I don't understand how the slice function actually works. How is it? Oh my God. Because Tmux is still running. Okay, yeah, that looks correct. I was expecting a 200 code instead of a 201. Status codes, Golang. Okay, not created at. There we go. I am kind of interested to see what they did. They did nothing. They just, oh. They just returned it as it was. I thought that it doesn't keep the order. I don't even know where they respond with JSON is. Alright, I guess I didn't even have to do the sorting. Alright, whatever. Multiple problems in this video, 32 minutes, pretty happy with that, but I will see you all in the next one. I need to clean my room and get out of here.